Hello, I Rushikesh Mehatre. Welcome in my YouTube channel Concept Innovations. Hope you have seen the previous video. Today we are going to study about Draw Toolbar. Now before starting video, I request you all to watch this video up to the end so that you can understand Draw Toolbar completely. Also subscribe the channel, like the video and share it. Now let's start the video. Draw Toolbar. This is the Draw Toolbar. If you don't see the draw toolbar on the screen, you just have to go here and right click and go to draw. The draw toolbar will appear. Now first, the line command. Line you can select from here and also by entering L, enter. That's line command. To draw line, you have to specify the first point and then give the dimension to the line. Before giving the dimension, if you want the line in 90 degree, just press F8 command. That means the ortho mode will get on, and then give the dimension to the line, which is suppose 100 mm. By this way you can draw line. Now there is another command known as construction line. Or by pressing X L I N E, you can enter the construction line. Construction line are used to construct or to project the views from one view to another view, such as this. With the help of these, construction lines are made. To erase the dimension or drawings on the screen, you just have to click somewhere on the screen and drag it and press E, enter. That is erase. Now next command is polyline, or you can enter polyline by P L, enter. Polyline is a continuous line until you do not exit from the line. It continuously draws the line. Such as if you want to draw some keyway, you can draw in such a way. Go to polyline, specify the first point, specify the second point, then click arc, give the diameter of the arc, then again click line, and then again click arc. Press left click to exit. In this way, polyline commands are used. Again, to erase such drawings, press E, enter. Now next command is polygon command. With the help of polygon, we can draw polygon, hexagon, number of drawings with this command. To enter polygon command, we can also press P O L enter. Now firstly it says specify the number of sides which you required. Number of I will specify 8 sides and then press enter. Now it's saying that specify center point of polygon. You can click anywhere on the screen. Then it asks for inscribed in circle or circumscribed in about the circle. If you click on inscribed in circle, you will have to specify the radius of a circle through which the points of polygon is covering, and then again to enter in polygon command, left click on the mouse, then again keep the sides as 8 sides, then press enter, then again press anywhere on the screen and then click on circumscribed about the circle, and this way the polygon command is used. The next command is rectangle command. We can enter rectangle command by REC enter. Firstly, it is instructing us to specify first corner of the point, and then you have to give dimensions to the rectangle. So just click on dimension. Then it is telling us to give the length of the rectangle. Suppose we give it 100 mm length, enter, and 50 mm width, enter. Without clicking on the screen, the rectangle will not be placed. Once you click on the screen, rectangle is placed. So this way rectangle is drawn. The next command is arc. You can draw arc by this command. To specify the start point and then the diameter of the arc, suppose 50 mm, and click on the screen. The another way to draw the arc is A, enter, click on center, then specify the center point of the arc, then specify the radius of the arc, suppose 100 mm, then click on the screen, specify the angle of the arc, suppose 180 degree, and this way the arc is drawn. The next command is circle. By clicking on circle, you enter the circle command or pressing C, enter. We can draw circle by many ways, such as specifying the center point, then giving the radius to the circle, suppose 100 mm, or specifying the center point and pressing D, enter, which is diameter, and giving diameter 200 mm. Or if we have three three lines and we have to draw a circle tangent to these three lines, then we have to click on circle command, then T 3 point radius, specify the 3 points, or if we have two lines and you have to draw tangent to these lines, go to TTR, select two lines and give radius, suppose 150 mm. The circle is drawn tangent to these two lines. By selecting all these and pressing E, enter, you will get the screen clear. And if you select Z, enter, A, enter, the screen will get zoom all extent. The next command is spline line, SP line. With the help of this, you can draw splines, or you have a rectangle and in that you required a spline. Specify first point, then midpoint, then end point, and left click on the mouse. You will get a SP line spline. Next, it is there ellipse command. Ellipse. Ellipse is generally drawn from center. Click on center like this. Ellipse, center. Specify the center point. Press F8 to on the ortho mode. Specify the end point of the axis. Then specify end point for other axis. In this way, ellipses are drawn. Give the center point, specify end point of first axis and specify end point of another axis. You can give dimensions also. Now here comes the another command, which is ellipse arc. If we have to draw an arc in ellipse, the same procedure is there. Press on ellipse arc, then go to center, specify the center point, specify the axis, specify the second axis, and then specify the angle. Suppose you give the first specify the cutting angle and then specify the another angle through which you require the ellipse. In this way, the ellipse arc is made. Now, the next command is make block. Make block command is used to block an entity drawn with a line command. Suppose we have drawn a rectangle with a line command, and we have to select this rectangle. We go and select here, but only the line is selected. And if we draw rectangle with rectangle command and only select a line, the whole rectangle is selected. To select the whole rectangle, the command make block is used. Once you select make block, the window appears. You can give name for this block, suppose 100 number. Then go to select object. Sorry, go to select object. Then select the object which you have to block or combine. Once you select the object, and then click, once you select the object and then click left click, and then you will get this window. After getting the window, press OK, and then specify the base point for the block. Suppose this point, the block is created. Now you can see, if we select any line, the whole entity is selected. The more further features for making block is used in next command, for insert command. While clicking on insert command, we can get the same block made by us several times while doing assemblies. Suppose we go to insert block, such type of window occurs. We can see how much blocks we have made. Select the required block which you require to appear several times. Press OK. The many times you click on block, it will appear. This is how insert block command is used. The next command is the point command. By just clicking on the screen, you can locate points. By pressing escape, you can exit from the command. The next command is hatch command. If you have to give hatching to some portion, suppose the rectangle, just go to hatch command. The window will appear. Then in this you can select many types of hatchings, such as ANSI, ISO, custom, and many more. Suppose I select this, press OK, then go to add pick point, select the portion in which you required hatching line, and then left click on the mouse, give the scale to hatching line, suppose 15, then enter, and then again click left click. This is how hatching command is used. By double clicking on hatching lines, you can change the properties such as scale, angle, 90 degree, and many more. Color. The next command is region command. Region command is also used to make an entity or a drawing made by line command to region it or combine it, such as by using region command you can combine the entity. Click on region command, specify the lines which you want to region, and then click left click on the mouse. This is how you can region such drawings. You can see I have regioned the another diagram. The next command is table command. Table are used to make bill of materials and many more other things. Table command. To activate table command, click on this icon, table. Such type of window you can appear. In this you have to select number of columns you required, suppose 10. Number of rows you require, suppose 20. Table style is standard. Set cell style, first row style, title or data or header. You can see here the view is changing. Title, header or data, header. Then click OK and place by right clicking on the screen. Press OK. If you want to write something in this table, to go to the cell and double click the cell. Suppose I write BOM, bill of material. OK. Then I write SR dot space and serial number. In this way you can write in this toolbars. To change the font, double click on the text, select the text, increase it, underline it, increase the text, press OK. Now next command is multi-line text. By clicking on multi-line text and then specifying the first corner point and then just dragging it and specify the second corner point, you can write text anywhere on the screen. Suppose I write my name, Rushikesh Mehatre. Select Rushikesh Mehatre, select the text, increase the text height to 20, bold it, italic, underline it, press OK. You can see in this way the text command is used. So today's lesson for draw toolbar is completed. Thank you for watching this video patiently and hope you have liked the video. If you liked the video, please share and subscribe my channel Concept Innovations. Thank you.